We got any Californians here tonight? Oh. You Californians don't know how to drive in the rain. Just hit the gas, and if God wants you to get there, you'll get there. I got passed the other day by some Californian around a bend. No passing zone. So I sped up to him, got right beside him at the stoplight. Well, he had a disabled parking pass. So I just yelled, "You think you're disabled now? Keep driving like that and we'll see." Oh, you don't want to fuck with an old concrete finisher. I'm from Forks. We don't fuck around in Forks.